On today's video, we're going to be opening Grand Adventure Collection box. Welcome back, guys. On today's video, Grand Adventure Collection. We have been looking forward to this for a while. We got ours shipped in not too long ago. But just a really cool box. Let me see if I can hold up so you guys can see a little better. Just really cool box. We got a few of these. So, okay, so starting out, we have the Horizons, the series Sprigatito card. Very cool. And then Flaquaco. Very cool. I guess it's kind of like a Cosmo Hollow, or I don't know. I'm sure it'll be specific in TCG what exactly it is. And then, of course, we have our Jumbo Terrapagos and Friends card. Surging Sparks, Obsidian Flames, Surging Sparks, Stellar Crown. So we'll start with these first because I want to know if we're going to get any really good hits out of this box. I think we'll do fairly well. Don't know if anybody knows. If you're following Pokemon, then you know that it released. We haven't gotten ours yet, but I'm really excited because it is finally out in the world. And if you know, so for those people that don't know, I am talking about Prismatic Evolution. I feel like I've been waiting for it for so long. But I am absolutely thrilled that it's finally going to be here. That is going to be, I feel like we bought so many of the items because they came out with so many different things. It's going to be like a month-long thing of just Prismatic Evolution, which I think most people would agree, completely okay. Surging Sparks, Pikachu. And again, the news, cannot wait to share it. Hopefully in the next couple weeks, I'll be able to share it. Maybe Christmas time, maybe not. We'll see. Maybe it'll just be the start of the new year kind of news. Ooh, are we gonna get anything good? Nope. These cards are kind of sucking in this box, but that's okay. Maybe this will be a good one. I love that series. So dope. Nope. Wow. Well, again, that's why we bring in the loose packs, because sometimes the box just sucks. And then, of course, you know, it only comes with 4 cards, so that's like a short. So we're going to try some Paradox Rift. Maybe the loose packs will help make this better. Let's see. I'm so ready for Christmas. Like, absolutely ready. Have all my babies opening gifts, and man, it's like the best part of the year, honestly. Just seeing how happy my kids are. And I'm glad they like Pokemon because, you know, now that's like a family affair for us. We all get involved in it. And I think that's really important, in my opinion. All right, Shrouded Fable, still nothing. Might be one of those days. It might be. Oh, man. That would absolutely suck. I am so sorry, guys. I feel like if we don't get something in the last few packs, like that just... I might just have to pull from the rack. Because I feel like I can't put out a video where there's no hits. Like, you got to get at least one. At least one. And we haven't gotten any, so... All right. Stellar Crown. Give us something. Good grief. This is going to be a really terrible video. And I put out some terrible stuff. I'm just kidding. I like most of my stuff. I think in the beginning it was, you know, doing the best that I can. Okay, another Stellar Crown. Let's see. Again, if we don't get any hits out of these last two packs, I will definitely pull from our rack. We've got Temporal Forces, Paradox Rift, Stellar Crown, and Shrouded Fable. Definitely pull something from there because, again, I just cannot let a video go out where there's nothing. All right, guys, last pack, Surging Sparks. Although, if we pull a Pikachu in this, all bets are off. If we pull a Pikachu, I guarantee that I'm waking my kid up from a nap. And, yeah, partying. All right, come on. Holy moly, guys. That is awful. So I think I'm going to pull 2 Shrouded Fable. Got to restock on those bad boys anyways, so. Oh my goodness. Something. Come on. Oh, thank gosh. Monkey Dory. Very nice. Very nice. The only hit of the day. We'll open the last pack just because I already grabbed it. And I don't want to put one pack back in the box, so maybe we can get 2 hits. It happens, though, you know? It really does. Like, if you're a Pokemon card collector, you know, like, it just happens. So, I guess all of the holiday magic is saving up for closer to Christmas. Sorry it was such a buzz. Hopefully you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, turn on those notifications. That way you can see when we're dropping new stuff. And as always, catch you on the next one.